Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today we will be cooking lemon garlic butter tuna. So let's start cooking. Here we go the ingredients we already prepared. First, we put on top the fish pinch of salt and pepper. And then we flip over. We put salt and pepper, same as the first side. Next we chop the parsley and we set aside. This parsley, we will use it for garnishes when we finish cooking the dish. And then we chop the garlic. Next step, we heat the pan with low to medium heat. Put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Spread it up. And when the pan is hot, we put the tuna in. We let it stir on the pan for about 2 minutes. And we turn over. After the second 2 minutes, we take away and we put on the different dish. Put on the pan 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix it until the butter melting. Then put the chopped garlic in. Stir it until light brown. We pour 2 tablespoons of lime juice or lemon juice. Stir it over. And the next step, we're gonna put tuna in. Spread the butter garlic over the fish. We turn over and we're gonna cook another 2 minutes. Okay, the tuna with garlic sauce is already done. And then we transfer to serving plate. Sprinkle chopped parsley over the fish. Okay guys, here we go. Tuna in lemon garlic butter sauce, ready to be enjoyed. Look at this, so beautiful. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.